But today I'm just running to the store, so I wanted to show a really quick updo that is, it can be deemed casual, or I would wear it to church as well, but it's real simple. As I do that, obviously we comb out our hair and someone had asked me how I get my hair long and healthy. And I will tell you this, I use a lot of oils. I'm grabbing one here. This is one, Pomifera Radiant Hair Oil, and it's scent number 25. I have a honest review of Pomifera if you want to go back. And it's just oil really hydrates your hair, and you can use it on your scalp as well as you run your fingers through. So, and then you know how it says scent number? The scent is amazing. So that's how I always apply oil to my hair, is I put it on my hands, just a few drops, and then I run it through, particularly on the ends. My hair is uncut. I haven't cut it since I was 18. And I believe that what the Bible says is that a woman's hair is her glory. And so I do try to take care of it. And I try to keep chemicals off of it. I try not to shampoo a lot. And if I do, I use the best products, and hopefully organic products. There's a product called Uncut Hair. I like BioSilk. I like Function of Beauty. And lately I have been using Pomifera. They have a lather that you can use as a shampoo. I've even used that. So if you are having issues with your hair thinning, I recommend trying selenium. It's a vitamin. You can get it in the vitamin aisle, and they're usually arranged alphabetically, so it's going to be in the S's. So selenium and biotin. Also prenatal vitamins, if you can handle it. And I'd talk to your doctor about any of these before you took them, and always consult with your own physician. I am not a doctor. I'm just telling you what I have done. Right now, I'm not taking selenium. Right now, I'm not taking biotin. I take a multivitamin for women with a lot of omegas in it, complexes. And, but that's about it. And I'm kind of sporadic on taking vitamins. But anyway, so I wanted to start with that. Also, I have a group on Facebook. It's called Pentecostal Hairstyles for the Updo Challenge. And the reason why it's called that is because that is what I am. I am Updo challenged. I learn how to do hair and my hair by watching others. And basically it just becomes my own as I do it. And that's what you have to understand. When you look at someone else's tutorial, you can't expect your hairstyle is going to be a different length. It's going to be a different thickness. It's going to be a different weight, a different texture. You can't expect yours to be identical. But what you can do is get inspiration. And so for this inspiration, which is a quick hairstyle just to go out and about, you know how you go to make a ponytail, right? And you can decide where you want it. I usually keep mine pretty high up at the crown and grab it like that, like you're getting ready to make your ponytail. So you're going to need a ponytail holder. But the thing is you just kind of double that over just a tiny bit. Don't do it too much, or you'll have one big floppy bun. So you can see the amount that I have right there that I just grasped almost as part of how you would do a ponytail. But see, now I have just folded it right there, okay? Then that is the part that I am going to put my ponytail holder around, see? And then that is going to be the bun portion of this hairstyle, and we can work with it. My headband was a little bit thick, and also I really didn't want that much. So what I can do is I can even pull down on that and extract just a little bit of that. So then from there, what you're going to do is that end that is left, well, there's any multitude of numbers of things that you can do, but we're trying to talk about being quick. I'm just going to twist that like that. And from there, it's going to go directly around the base of that ponytail holder. And you can go as tight or as loose as you want. And so then I have the end right there. And I have my famous spin pins. You can pick these up on Amazon. I think they sell them on, or at Target and Walmart. I've never checked because I always buy them on Amazon. And then you just kind of work with that. Now, you're done. But I am a stickler for, I don't like the lumps. So I always run a comb through it like that. And in the back, I comb it up like that. But you can see, if I would have done this a lot without talking, and then I can take another spin pin. And spin pins come in all colors. I don't like the way, like, it's too high up there. And again, I think I may have taken just a little bit too much. So I'm going to use spin pins just to screw that down. And I'm going to get one more spin pin. And adhere that in. See how it just screws right in? And people have said, well, aren't those hard to get out? Don't those get tangled? Well, let me show you. Find one. There we go. So remember, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. See how I'm just screwing it right back out? It doesn't get tangled. I don't know how it works. I didn't invent it, but I can thank the person who did. And then, so now I'm just ready to go to the store. You could dress this up as much as you want. It's like kind of a messy bun. You can keep pinning it if you didn't like how high it was. Like I didn't at first like how high it was. You can add a, which I usually end up doing, you can add a headband to it. I'm the type, I don't like the slick back portion of my hair. And then, you know, I feel like I can add a little bit more to it and then just straighten it out like that and pull it. You just pull on it until you get it where you like it, where you're comfortable with it, where you feel like it's even, and then you can even spray it if you like. And that's it. Now, that would have been a lot quicker if I wasn't doing all the talking, but I think you could see the basic idea of it and make it your own. Also, thank you for leaving the comments, those of you who are leaving comments, and I will answer questions. And also, because that's what I did at the beginning of this, I was answering some questions about how do you keep your hair thick? How do you keep it healthy? So I tried to answer those questions. If you have any other questions, leave them in the comments. If you have just comments, if you like it, you don't like it, I don't care. I like to interact with the comments. I also appreciate it if you join the Facebook group, Pentecostal Hairstyles for the Updo Challenged. Some of you are watching this from that group, so I say thank you for being in here. Thank you for sharing your tutorials. If you're watching on YouTube, you can come to that group and see more tutorials, not just mine. And so just thank you for tuning in and being a part, and be sure to subscribe all so you don't miss any of the tutorials. I usually upload about 2 or 3 a week, and then on Fridays we have discussion about Revelations. Right now we're doing end time, talking about the end time. We have some great things to talk about the peace treaty that was signed yesterday and how that affects in the return of Jesus and prophecy and all that. It all plays into it. So tune in tomorrow, Friday at 2 o'clock with my husband, Pastor Roger Parrott. We do those on Fridays. I do Sunday shout outs. Everyone who comments, I go back to your channel and I view some of your videos. You viewed mine, now I'm going to view yours, just in gratitude and thanks for your being here. I want to reciprocate in some way, and I will comment and let you know that I did. Also, for those who are doing it a lot and commenting a lot on all of my videos, I do shout outs on Sundays. And so, because I appreciate that participation and support that you all are showing me, and I have some of you that are regulars. And so I think I've covered everything. Thank you for tuning in, and have a blessed day.